Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 30th of September, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank 100 plus pips today. That's right. Today is the last trading day of the month, and technically this is the last month of the quarter Q3, and we had amazing volatility. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. Beautiful analysis. Let me share with you guys how I did and the best trade of the day. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD 4 hour, we haven't seen any big volatility in the Euro USD, but the rest of the pair we has amazing volatility. All right, if you look at the 4 hour chart from yesterday, as you have seen, we were short. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review video, the link is given in the video description. From yesterday we were short, and technically we were expecting some correction and then continuation. So we had this small correction and we were short here, and some of the traders are still holding. They are holding trade from yesterday, from this one. So amazing trade. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market today from here and bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the intraday analysis based on the 4 hour price action, as you can see, our bias and momentum is bearish from yesterday. You can see from yesterday we were short, and today we were expecting small correction. We were also expecting price might going to reverse and possibility of pullback at this level, but as you can see here, price could not fail to break this orange EMA, and price developed another, you can see here, bearish flag pattern, and we had a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the red fib channel, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful short trade this morning, and at the New York session, price developed a consolidations. We were looking for this breakout consolidations. We had a one breakout and beautiful short trade. Some of the traders are still holding. I can see a very strong bearish momentum and trend. All right guys, so this is the beautiful trade we had it on Euro USD continuation, as you can see here from yesterday. Pound dollar, we had an interesting trade. Let me share with you guys. If you look at the 4 hour, again from yesterday we were short here. Today we were long here, as you can see here, counter long trade again based on the pattern, the intraday pattern. Price nicely developed, especially when price came down, and we had a long trade here, bank beautiful pips from here until the price target hit this level. So we had amazing long trade this morning on pound dollar. Let me share with you, that's technically this is the counter trade. First we had a short trade here. We were expecting the same thing from yesterday. As you can see here, price reverse as soon as we basically managed to bank few pips, and afterward we were expecting continuation like yesterday we had it, but price reverse, we had a counter long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze this part of it in intraday. Let me open the intraday charts. Let me share with you the analysis. Okay, so this is the analysis. We had it just before London Open. We were watching here at this level, as you can see here, we're expecting possibility of long, or if the price failed, then we short trade here. As you can see, as soon as the price developed triple top, explain to my trader, take a short trade, as exactly happened yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen video, link is given in the video description. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, even in 4 hour, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and wait for another pullback. So we bank, as soon as we bank some profit, as you can see, price reverse. We bank profit here, price reverse, and explain to my trader, let's wait for another pattern. As you can see here, price develop another pattern. I explain through live audio commentary and through the live analysis, these are the levels price previously respected. So we're looking symmetric triangle pattern here, and that's what we explained to trader, look for if the price gonna break the previous recent high or recent low. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We announced this trade through live audio commentary. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So this was the trade in the London morning session. And at the New York session, as explained to my trader, because being an intraday trader, that's what exactly I pinpoint where the price possibility might going to develop some opportunities. As you can see from this analysis, I explained to trader from here, you can see here, or either way this level or this level. If you don't see the pullback based on the momentum, then we're going to take the short trade here. We're not going to wait for pullback. That's what we explained to my trader. As you can see here, price nicely developed, respected this, orange EMA, and nicely developed another pullback long trade based on the momentum, bank few more PPs. Afterwards, as I said to you guys, as soon as the price progress and develop another pattern, that's what we're looking here. So at this time, we're expecting possibility price might going to break, because we can see a triple top. But I said to say, guys, we're only going to take a trade if the price is going to break this recent high or recent low and recent high. As you can see, based on the momentum, we always be looking forward towards the momentum. We had a beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit in 4 hour at this level. That's what I explained to my trader. Bank some profit and let's wait for another pullback. So this was the beautiful counter long trade today on pound dollar. So we banked beautiful pips on pound dollar. All right, so dollar CAD. Yes, dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, very amazing trade this afternoon especially. Okay, so if you look at dollar CAD from yesterday, we were long, and I explained to my trader price broken this level, and we're going to see if the price gonna stay below this level, then probably gonna be taking a short trade here, otherwise long here. So I did analysis that even in the Asian session, I explained to my trader there is a possibility after this candle, there is a possibility of counter short trade, and we had a beautiful counter short trade, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards at the New York session, as soon as the price, you can see first touch, second touch, as soon as the price developed third touch, we take a short trade and bank beautiful. We had such a nice ride. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday from this level and bank beautiful pips. Okay, so let me open the intraday analysis. Okay, so if you let me make it slightly bigger, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the analysis. Now this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. I explained to my trader we have sort of like a head and shoulder pattern. Price was at this level, and then possibility of breakout. So look for this breakout. So as you can see here, price nicely developed a double top here. That was the good sign. Explained to my trader, keep taking a short trade until the price gonna hit the 200 EMA. So we had this breakout short trade, bank beautiful pip. This is the first target. Always be from this fib level to this fib level. That's the first target. As soon as the price hit, I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. And that's what happened exactly in the London morning session. Just before London open, we banked some profit and said to trader look for another pullback, and the target would be this 200 EMA. What happened here? Exactly after this breakout, as you can see here, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the target, explain to my trader, bank some profit and look for another pattern. And what happened after that? At the New York session, we had a quite testified that high impact news was about to release. Just before that, I explained to my trader price develop another intraday pattern. As you can see here, just at the New York session, just before opening bell, as you can see here, price develop another pattern, and we had this beautiful breakout trade. Technically the breakout was performed here. I explained to my trader look for this breakout 200 EMA, which is more safer trade. We have this breakout, and afterward you can see a nice shoot up. We have another pullback. I say guys, based on the momentum, take another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, support level, which is previously broken, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see guys, we had an amazing trade. Most of the trades we had amazing trade, most of them, like euro yen, pound yen, all of them like dollar yen. If you look at the dollar yen in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to myself. If you look at the 4 hour charts, price develop a double top here. I explained to my trader previous candle, you can see here spinning top. This candle give us the bullish rejection. And if you look at the intraday, price develop a triple top, and that was a beautiful breakout. And let me share with you guys, we have two analyses. From yesterday we were long. Today this is the analysis at the London morning session. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price refused to break this level, but this one is broken at the New York session. But I already updated that analysis at the New York session. That's why I keep pushing my traders to take the trades. If they miss this one they should not miss it, because this is the latest analysis with the latest information. I give it to them. Triple top has been developed, and we have a double top has been developed in 4 hour based on the candlestick. If the price gonna break the recent low, take a short trade here. Breakout, pull back, pull back. You can see here from here to here, first target fib level, then the second target, another fib level. Beautiful. And that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit. So we had amazing trades, amazing trade, most of the pairs. As you can see here, one of my traders banked 104 pips. He made it like 60-70 pips, and I was pushing him. I'm sure, let's say I'm sure you can do another few more pips, make it 100. So he was keep taking, like you can see all his breakdown trades, bank small pps. I was pushing him, let's make it 100. So as soon as he hit 104, he closed all these trades. Fantastic. So as you can see here, that's what exactly, and all of these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly in real time. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed today, the last trading day of the month analysis. As always mentioned guys, the most interesting part of it, if you watch those analyses in real time, that's the most interesting part of it. And develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce this type of consistency, and produce good pips, I can help you to get funded. And if you are interested how I train and coach my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself, if I'm free, or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can be a successful, profitable trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.